Hi, I'm Sharon. How often do you look for lunch or dinner recipes that you can make in less than 30 minutes? Well, I certainly do. And that's exactly what we are going to make today. A Szechuan fried rice with tempeh. A fried rice is always my go-to recipe when I have some leftover rice and not much time to prepare an elaborate meal. And what better way to pack so much of flavor and nutrients into a single bowl? So let's get started. For the Szechuan fried rice, I'm using the Hello Tempeh natural cubes, and the first step is to marinate them. Since tempeh absorbs flavors really well, don't skimp on the seasoning. For marination, I'm using soy sauce, salt, and pepper. This has to be kept aside for 10 to 15 minutes after marination. Now tempeh has to be kept refrigerated, so make sure you take it out of the fridge just when you're ready to use them. And for this recipe, if you would like to speed up the process, you can always use the Szechuan chili tempeh cubes from Hello Tempeh. These just need to be sauteed for 8 to 10 minutes and is ready to be added to your rice. Our natural tempeh cubes have been marinating for about 15 minutes now. So let's saute them in a little oil and keep it aside. Once the tempeh cubes are sauteed, in the same pan add some more oil. Add some spring onion whites and saute it till it's translucent. Next goes in the vegetables. So I'm using carrots, beans, and bell peppers for this fried rice. Saute this for a couple of minutes. The vegetables have to be cooked but should still retain its crunch. Next, let's add some Szechuan sauce and some soy sauce. You can add some salt and pepper as per your taste. Tempeh enhances the flavor of any dish that you add it to, and you know you're getting the right amount of iron, protein and fiber, and of course it's great for your gut health. For making any fried rice, leftover rice works best. However, if you're preparing rice just before making this recipe, make sure you let it cool down properly before using it. So that's how I get a meal ready in less than 30 minutes with very little prep too. So go get your pack of Hello Tempeh cubes today and let's tempeh.